Hi, welcome to our video blog. I'm Wendy.
And I'm Tracy, and we're from the Focus Real Estate team.
Your South Orange County specialists.
And today we'll be talking about the tax benefits of homeownership. Well, welcome back to our video blog. Now, before we get started, we just want to do a quick disclosure that we aren't tax attorneys and we aren't CPAs, so please consult with your industry professionals.
Let's hop right into chatting about the tax benefits of homeownership.
Great, so let's start with interest on the mortgage. Now, when you first take out a mortgage or a loan to purchase a home, the first typically 10 to 15 years of a 30-year mortgage is when you pay the highest amount of interest and the lowest amount of principal. Now, over time, that changes and you pay more and more principal and less interest. However, like I said, in the first 10 to 15 years, you want to really take advantage of that interest that you've paid and deduct that from your taxes.
Additionally, if you just originated a loan this year and purchased a new property, if you chose to lower your interest rate and pay points on that loan, those points are tax deductible because the IRS considers that as prepaid interest.
Next, let's chat about property taxes. Now, you pay property taxes every year. You pay prorated property taxes when you purchase a property. And the property taxes, as well as the city transfer tax, not all cities have it, but some cities like LA City, have city transfer taxes, and those can be tax deductible again. So property taxes and city transfer taxes.
And your county transfer taxes as well in the year in which the property was purchased.
That's correct.
Additionally, we want to chat about some energy efficiency. If you're choosing to do any energy efficiency in your home this year by upgrading your windows or new air conditioning system or insulation, the federal government is offering a credit up to $500 towards energy efficiency in your home. That does expire at the end of 2016, so you'll want to check
with your vendors
to ensure that you'll be able to qualify for that tax deduction.
Yeah, and make sure the job is done in time to, like Wendy said, qualify. Another item that you want to check with a vendor is solar. Now, solar is also providing up to a 30% credit for solar installation, maybe to heat your pool, maybe to heat your house, and that could be a great benefit as well.
Well, if you've lived in your residence for a while and you decide to go to the bank and get a home improvement loan to do some form of remodeling on your home, please know that the interest on that home improvement loan is also tax deductible up to $100,000 in debt.
And another type of loan that you could get if you already currently own a home is a home equity line of credit. Now, that interest can be deducted as well, and a home equity line of credit is different than a home improvement loan because you don't have to use the funds that you got from the home equity line of credit specifically on your home. You could use it maybe to buy a car, maybe put your kids through college.
The last thing we wanted to talk about is a tax deduction that you would receive at the time at which you sell your house. So this is basically trying to determine the gain that you've had on your property. So when you purchased your house, you paid, let's say, $500,000 for it. And over the course of the time in which you've owned that property, you put $100,000 worth of improvements into that property. So they would consider that to be your cost basis. The $500,000 plus the $100,000 would now be a $600,000 cost basis on the property. Let's say you sold that property for $1 million. So you'd have a $400,000 gain. Save all of those receipts because that'll help to lower your tax burden on that gain that you experience when you sell the property.
Yeah, the $100,000 in improvements can make a big difference when it comes to paying taxes on the gain. Now, what Wendy's talking about as far as home improvements are major big ticket items. This is a new roof. This is remodeling kitchen, bathroom. So these are really truly home improvements. It's not necessarily repairs. It's not your leaky kitchen faucet that you have to go to Home Depot and buy a new one. So just keep that in mind, and obviously your CPA will be able to guide you better.
Well, before we let you go, we just wanted to point out that we have two free tools here on our video blog. We have our free home evaluation report if you're looking to sell your home sometime soon.
And we also have a free home search if you're looking to buy.
Great, and my name is Wendy. I can be reached at 949-887-1393.
And I'm Tracy, and my number is 949-212-5218. Thank you so much for joining us on our video blog today.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.